Hey guys, and welcome back. So for today's video, I'm really excited. Actually, hold on, let me go in the garage because it's very loud out there, but the lighting's bad in here, so we gotta work with what we got. So for today's video, probably gonna redo this intro. Maybe not, we'll see. So for today's video, I'm super excited because it's gonna be a DIY. So I'm gonna be DIYing a planter. I'm going to be making a little, what is it even called, like a arrangement out of fake flowers from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm also going to be making kind of DIYing like a chair, like I have a chair, but it was bought from like an antique shop. But we're going to be making it super duper rustic and super duper cute. And it's going to be kind of like a little planter arrangement type of thing that is going to sit on my front porch. You guys will be able to see by the cover photo kind of what I'm talking about because I'm not explaining this well at all, but I thought I would go ahead and just kind of DIY it for you guys and film it and show you guys exactly what I'm doing so that way you guys can do it at home. So hopefully the crickets are not insanely loud because they are so freaking loud right now. Hopefully they're not that loud the whole time. But what we're gonna be doing is, first off, I have this little planter that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to be making it look kind of like a metal planter, which is a heck of a lot more expensive. So we got this Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish Silver Spray Paint. Hopefully this works on plastic. I didn't even think to look. Hopefully this does. If it doesn't, then never mind, you won't be seeing this video. Our garage is a mess. I apologize. Alright, so like I said, I am just spray painting this planter, that metallic silver color, so that way it looks metal. And I'm gonna go ahead and warn you guys right now, my fashion in this video, it is on point. I look like I should be on like the cover of Runway or something. My fashion is top notch. Alright, so this is what it looked like before, the cute little chair. My mom got it for super duper cheap from like an antique store, like literally so cheap, like less than $5, like it was cheap. So then I'm just going in with this white paint, and I did end up going with the flat paint. That's just because that's what I had, and so I was like, why not? And so I'm literally just painting the entire chair this flat white, and I ended up doing 2 coats on there just to make sure that it covered everything, and I ended up using a paintbrush. I started out using like a foam brush type thing, and that just did not work, so I ended up going with a paintbrush, and I liked that so much better, and it made it like a lot less streaky and everything like that. So like I said, I'm just painting away. So next up, I'm going in with 2 different brown paints, and I'm just applying this to the metal to kind of make it look like it's a little bit rusted. You 100% don't have to do this because I'm going to sand it in those areas a little bit later on in the video. Again, you don't 100% don't have to do this, but I just thought it added a little bit something extra to it whenever I do kind of sand it down a little bit and just kind of make it look a little bit more authentic. Alright, so next up I'm going in with this sandpaper. Oh my goodness, why did I just forget what that was called? And I'm going in with 2 different kinds. One of them is like a heavy grit, so it's like a lot more grittier, and it's gonna kind of really kind of scratch it up a little bit more. And then the other one is like fine, and so it's not as scratchy. I don't even know what the correct word for that is, but y'all know what I mean if you are a crafter in any way, shape, or form. So I'm just going in with that to make it a little bit more rustic, and then again, like I said, I'm going in with that same thing on the planter. And then this is the finished product. And like I said, I just got the flowers from the Dollar Tree pre-quarantine, and I think it turned out so stinking cute. And then I did actually end up getting some real flowers to go in this pot as well, because I ended up liking that better, and I did not like the way that the fake flowers looked because your girl's not good at arrangements. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!